Welcome to CATEX TV. My name is Frank Fortunato. Today is Wednesday, January 11th, 2012. Last night in New Hampshire, Mitt Romney romped on to South Carolina. Interesting news coming from Pakistan. Keep your eyes on it. The defense minister has been sacked by the civilian government, and the Pakistani military is outraged. This follows on the military's reaction to a memo that apparently had been sent by the civilian government to the American government earlier this month, asking for American assistance in helping to, quote, control the Pakistani military. This combustible mix has to be compounded with the tortured history in Pakistan of repeated military coups, plus the current weakness of President Zardari, who recently returned to the country after an extended stay overseas for medical treatment. A sharp increase in violence, a deteriorating economic situation, makes it very clear that the military is prepared to act according to observers. In Syria, President Assad appeared today in a very rare public appearance, exhorting followers to toe the line and fight against terrorists. This is after the first week of Arab League monitoring, in which 400 Syrians have been estimated to have been killed. And in Tehran, two assailants on a motorcycle attached a bomb to the car of an Iranian nuclear professor, killing him and his driver this morning. The slaying suggests a widening of the covert effort to set back Iran's atomic program. No word yet from President Ahmadinejad, who is on his tour of Latin America with his good friend Hugo Chavez. In Nigeria, gunmen have shot 8 people dead in the southern part of the country, and in the northern part, a mob torched an Islamic school, and a nationwide fuel strike continues. The 2-day general fuel strike has not yet affected oil output. However, the Islamic group Boko Haram is fighting a brutal campaign against the government. Keep your eyes on Iran, on Nigeria. If that oil slows down, combined with the Straits of Hormuz issue, the price is going to continue to skyrocket. And in the United States, Allstate, Travelers, and State Farm are among the insurers raising their rates after damage from natural disasters defied the industry models. Allstate boosted their rates for home policies 5.6%. Travelers is raising rates. State Farm has charged homeowners more nationwide for 3 straight years. All the insurers are complaining that the models have not been accurate. How can a model actually predict what the weather is going to do? The Lloyd's reinsurance broker Robert Fleming International has reported a 44% drop in profit after tax after paying off £1.5 million of bad debts. In a Companies House filing, RFIB attributed the bad debt charge to legacy funding issues. They said that the bad debts were discovered after the creation of a new database resulted in more detailed information. Some of the debts were caused by RFIB's clients and insurers offsetting payments against each other. For example, a client offsetting an outgoing premium payment to an insurer against an incoming claim payment and only paying the net amount. Fleming said they have fixed the issue. It's going to take 2 years for the remains of MV Rena to be removed from that reef in southern New Zealand. It's going to be sitting there, probably becoming a tourist attraction. The Melbourne hailstorms on Christmas Day are now going to approach about $500 million in damage. Slow claims notification have been due to the fact that people are only returning from holiday vacations. And yesterday there was a massive 7.3 earthquake off of northern Sumatra in Indonesia. A tsunami warning was issued but lifted, no damage or injuries. That's the news for today. If we have any breaking news, we'll come back and tell you. Thank you for watching.